Okay, we have a squeaky key. Now, part of having an Mbira is knowing how to tune your Mbira. And when you get keys that get knocked out of tune or start squeaking, you need to fix them. Tools of the trade: screwdriver, a hammer of substance, but small. This is a tobble hammer, works great. So we're going to pop this key out. Other tool, pair of pliers. We're going to put this on the edge here. We're going to grab it like that and just bend it down a little bit. Now you don't want to bend it down too much, because then you'll knock all the other keys out of tune. Another nice tool to have is a tuner. Don't need it, but it makes it easier. And we're tuning this key to F. There it is. No more squeakies. You always want to check the keys around it. Check the keys around it to see if any of those got loosened, because sometimes when you fix one key, it'll make the other keys around it get loose and they'll start to squeak as well.